Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be filming another video. As you see, there's a four-wheeler right behind it. He is this stupid little boy standing here menacingly. I can see my reflection in your stupid mirror. No. And then, yeah, we just filled him up with gas. Got Yamaha Kodiak Special Edition 700, Honda XR 150 large. We're just gonna be cruising around. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing today. So let's get straight to it. Miley, get on your bike. Four-wheeler. Four-wheeler. I meant four-wheeler. Get out of my way. Bro doesn't even know how to start it. Go slow. We gotta chill out a little bit here. I almost spun out over there. That was short-lived. Mamma mia! I cannot go through that. What? I cannot fit in those ruts. No shot. You can if you want. I can't. I'm on a bike. So if you want, you could ride in there. Yeah, but it's fun. Is that a cop? Yeah, I can't fit in that. No shot. Well, we're here.
You did not die.
Bro, the fact that you were in low, full throttle, sad.
I wasn't full throttle, I was going like 30.
I was telling you to pass me on that, like, dip outside of off-grid. And you were just sitting there in the back, and I was like, what is he doing?
Well, I wasn't gonna blow up your engine, no.
Skill issue. You got, it like went around you. What? Dang it! That's maybe a trick shot. Alright, let's take these close up. These hurt more, so don't throw yours at me, or I'll throw mine at you. Hey, you suck! You suck! Oh.
Thank you.
You are not welcome.
I can't see much.
Oh.
We got chili dogs and hot dogs.
Let's just get pizza crust.
For what?
Pizza crust.
Just to have pizza crust.
Pizza crust.
I mean, that's valid. But like,
Pizza crust.
You get spaghetti and hot dogs.
Oh, that was like perfect.
That's really good.
Pizza crust.
You look at the grocery store.
Thank you.
I can't even stock shelves like that because I can't read the register. I can't barely squat.
I think I could fit one of these in my jacket.
Oh, I just thought of it that one.
No, I could 100% fit that in my jacket.
He has like a giant nut. And they gotta smuggle it through customs.
Alright, what do we need?
I can't see crap through this goggles. The dark, extra dark.
Should ask if they have an entire box or just like more so I can take. What?
Oh, they got more hot dogs.
Yes, they did. Let me fix this one. There we go. That's perfect. Bet. Alright.
Oh, we could've just got cheese here.
Where? Cheese. Where did you get that?
The store? I really want to take this one off, but I don't want to.
Hmm?
I want to take the wings off, but I don't want to. I don't want my face out there. That's just a rule of mine.
Skill issue.
To not have my face on the internet.
Skill issue.
Bruh.
Ah.
Spam in the spaghetti.
That's where it's at. Are you...
Skill issue.
Wait, are you ready to leave?
You got everything?
I got everything I need.
Well, I'm buying my own stuff.
You're buying your own stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Means I can spend more money. What is this? Nah. Should have kept my goggles on. Should have kept my goggles on.
Yeah.
Since my identity's not leaked through the mirror of your glasses.
You just blur it out, and I think.
Yeah, I guess.
Do you know how to do that?
Yes. This is like the meal of kings right here.
You know what? I'm feeling Pop-Tarts.
You're feeling Pop-Tarts?
I'm feeling Pop-Tarts.
Alright. How much?
How much is applesauce?
$4.
For
That's actually like,
65.
it's actually like good. You know what?
I'm surprised those gloves didn't get caught. Ow!
It was like the fastest switch up. Ow! Ooh, money.
By the way, this flies open when I'm driving.
Yeah.
I was literally, it was like levitating.
Does it have ear pro in it?
Ear protection?
Yeah. That's
That's got 2 earmuffs.
that's a jumper. I got my applesauce and white monster.
That looks really weird. Look really concealed. So just put the
Looks like I have like, I can't say that.
Now, where am I gonna put these? Wait, hold on. I feel like those girls at the gym. I don't want to do that.
Nah, give it to me. Just like,
Will it stay on there like that?
if I can get it on there.
Okay. Where am I gonna put the
Here. That's all the way filling that up. Pause.
I just hope my charcuterie board doesn't fall out of my pants.
I feel like that's gonna stay on there.
You feel like it's not going to?
That's going to.
You
That's-
got any tape?
It's gotta stay. We could walk in there and be like, hey, do you have any duct tape? Why? I need to duct tape these earmuffs to my head.
I got a bomb.
Hey. I saw that bit lot.
Not even my glove.
Well, you're gonna go get it because you're wearing it. Don't throw it at me again, boy. Is there a porta potty back there?
What? What'd you say?
Is there a porta potty back there? It looks like there's a porta potty. Oh well.
Cargo. What is the cargo stand?
It doesn't benefit me at all, so why should I afford
Imagine
it?
it rolls out of your pocket on the way back.
It won't.
If it does, I'm laughing.
Why would it roll off? Hurry up! This trail. Not as high up as I remember it.
You can just climb this?
You want to climb it?
Hell yeah!
Okay, make sure that it's not rusty. I'm gonna take the stuff out of my jacket. Keep my gear on just in case.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this is gonna be so much fun. So this used to be the Itasca Sports Volunteer Fire Department's old watchtower.
Okay.
It still technically is. It's just
We don't use it?
they don't use it. No, I think it. I don't know if it's a cell tower or just a. Yeah, see, property of Itasca Volunteer Fire Department. My dad works there, so.
Will my helmet fit in there?
Easily, yes it would. Okay, let me go first.
All right.
Just
So if I fall, so if you fall, I'm basically just getting the one getting crushed.
pretty much, yeah. Oh, I don't know if my helmet's gonna be able to fit in this. Might just have to grab the GoPro.
What?
Make sure none of these bolts are rusted out. Ooh, I just got a little shock.
You got what?
I just got a little shock.
Oh, that's alright.
Hey, you wanna go first? Hold up.
Kinda.
I gotta take my helmet off.
Yeah, we probably should.
Just hold the GoPro. Or maybe position it up on the, ouch. Yep.
I'll take all of our stuff off.
Smart. It's gotta be cold up there, right?
I don't want to face out there, so.
Yeah, this is what we're climbing.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take you guys with me.
Please don't do anything weird.
Yeah, I definitely fit better without my helmet. Let's see here.
That's what she said.
Robertson. Whole lot of people. Steve. What? Steve. I am Steve. Shut up! I am Steve. Rod Sheehan?
Zorro was
I feel
here.
like climbing down this is going to be hard. I'm climbing up.
I don't think so. Let's just hope it's not like that one movie, Fall. Yeah, Fall.
No, this doesn't look rusty.
You mean there are stun bits?
Dude, this is horrible.
What do you mean? You not like heights?
Oh, never mind. This is fun.
I was like, do you not like heights?
Dude, I can see my house from here.
Actually?
Yes. Big shed. Truck is driving in the field to four-wheeler.
Oh, I see it. I was looking the other direction.
Wow. This is awesome.
This is really awesome. You should have brought your GoPro like strapped it to your chest.
Yes, I should have, dude.
Hold on,
I'm gonna take a bunch of phone clips and put it into the YouTube video.
Where's my phone?
Let's get to the top.
Where the fuck is my phone? Oh, it's in the phone.
Okay. I was gonna say, oh shit. Dude, this is crazy. I love this. Now see, I asked Kira if she wanted to climb this, and she was like,
Yeah.
and I was like, are you kidding me right now? Little GoPro sitting down there, enjoying the ground.
Obviously.
Dude, if I fall,
If you fall, you're dead.
actually,
You can't survive that.
yeah, no shot.
You're basically dead.
Yeah. I like that.
Alright. We're up.
Donald
We made
Trump.
love here. What the fuck?
What?
There's a drawing on here that says we made love here. Like someone actually fucked. I'll see you later.
No, 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 no.
Damn, dude, this is epic. This is awesome. I should bring Iris here.
Just made it to the top of the tower. It's 100% structural. I can see the house from here. Crazy. But yeah, we're just gonna finish this salami and cheese and head back. Oh yeah. Super nice view.
Should we just leave him?
Sitting up here, realize we did it from behind right here. 2014. That's crazy.
Well, it'll be wild.
Okay,
Dude, I just got an amazing idea.
What?
Get like a pad, like one of those big, like inflatable pads you ever use.
Yes. What if you miss?
Make the pad bigger.
Hey guys, Steve over here.
Welcome to Jackass. Just fucking guys.
Today we're gonna be jumping off a 100-foot tower.
Class of 1980.
Class of 1980.
Yeah.
It's my dad's class. He was 2 years old.
Bro graduated. Bro was fucking young Sheldon.
No, my dad's born in 1979. Or 8. I don't remember.
Alright, I'm comfortable with going multiple steps now.
Yeah,
Can you go in? Is the door unlocked?
Hey, don't touch my monster. See, it still has liquid left.
Well, I saw it make it had liquid in it and it hit the ground.
Let's go!
I know, I filled it so then it would fall straight down. We go
Alright. Alright, guys, we made it down. That was interesting. That was very interesting. It would shift into first. Yeah, guys, I'm a certified Bobcat driver. Trust. I promise. Oh my. The suspension on this thing's not so great. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, today was pretty interesting. Upload this on Friday, and yeah, y'all have a great rest of your day. Catch you in the next one. See ya.